Science and Discovery, DIY Radio Wave Story, No Device Imagining. One Monday morning at the Little Explorers Club, our intrepid team prepared to embark on an adventure to understand the mysteries of radio waves. With pencils sharpened and imaginations stirred, they set out to journey through the invisible world that surrounds us all. As they left the schoolroom, the children marveled at the wonders of the outdoors. "Where are these radio waves we're searching for?" asked one child. "They travel all around us," explained their friend, "like invisible strings linking everything together." The group gathered materials to create their own simple radio transmitters, using tin cans and copper wire. They connected the pieces together with determination, their eyes wide with excitement as they prepared to send their first signals into the air. With a flourish, one of the young explorers raised her finished transmitter into the sky and switched it on. The others huddled around their homemade receivers, waiting with bated breath for any sign of the signal they'd sent. Suddenly, the static on their receivers began to clear. "Hello, little explorers. I can hear you." A voice crackled through their makeshift radio devices. The children erupted in cheers and laughter, amazed by what they'd accomplished. As the group huddled together, they wondered where their signal had traveled. Could it have reached all over our city? One child pondered. "Maybe even beyond," exclaimed another, eyes shining with possibility. The next day, the young explorers gathered at a nearby park with their transmitters. They set up their devices, focusing on sending stronger and clearer signals across the city. The group sent wave after wave of radio waves into the air, listening intently for any response. "Do you think we're getting stronger?" asked one child, hopeful but uncertain. Suddenly, the static on their receivers grew stronger and clearer. "We did it!" cheered one of the children, their eyes shining with pride. "Yes, we're getting closer to sending our messages across the whole city." With renewed energy and determination, the group continued to strengthen their signals, sending them further than ever before. The children stood quietly, listening for the final confirmation that their message had reached every corner of their city. As the children huddled together, a voice crackled through their receivers. "Little explorers, I can hear you loud and clear. Your messages have reached every corner of our city." The group erupted in cheers and laughter, proud of what they'd achieved.